Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change Jeep Liberty windshield wipers. This is a simple maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving time and money. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need 2 new front wiper blades. Typically, the driver's side is 21 inches and the passenger's side is 20 inches. Also, grab a clean cloth or towel to protect your windshield. No special tools are usually needed, making this a quick and easy job. Now, let's remove those old, worn-out wiper blades. Begin by gently lifting one wiper arm away from your windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Next, find the small tab or button on the wiper arm where the blade attaches. Press this release tab firmly and then slide the entire old wiper blade straight off the arm. Repeat this process for the other side. Remember to place a towel on your windshield before lowering the arm, just in case. With the old blades removed, it's time to install your brand new ones. Take one of your new wiper blades and align its connector with the hook-shaped end of the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm, pushing it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's properly seated and won't come loose. Then, repeat this exact same process for the other wiper arm and its new blade. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower both wiper arms back down onto your windshield. Now, it's time for a quick test. Turn on your vehicle and activate your windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance closely, checking for any streaks, chattering, or missed areas on the glass. Your new blades should provide a clear, smooth wipe. Remember to inspect your wiper blades every 6 months or so to ensure they are always ready for any weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.